roller coaster and it's just going faster and faster, and eventually you're like, well,
manual record.
Yeah, I wish I could see.
You don't know exactly what's happened. You've got to piece it together after the fact because events are moving very quickly. But Vice, of course, are in defense of Michael.
I don't know though, because the robot's not going to have to use lethal force because the robot's not alive.
Indestructible.
I mean, not indestructible, but the robot doesn't need to fear for its own destruction.
When it's showing him suddenly gaining quite a few points, that's fairly significant, I would say. That's about all.
Leadership and so on. My sense is, and I hope I'm not wrong here, my sense is that he shifted substantially this year and takes
manual recording will now.
Charges against city officials in Portland, Oregon, after clashes erupted there night after night between law enforcement and demonstrators.
Would have been nice to have it.
100 miles or more, but a baby boy with his whiskers on I never saw before.
NPR made multiple calls and sent multiple emails to the Joint Force Headquarters, National Capital Region, for comment, but has not heard back. Now, I will say this.
Okay, what are you doing?
Manual.
You know, a supernova that we originally thought it to be. And I love space. I love all things space. I always try to bring a little bit of...
I was actually drinking like a lot of beer at the time, some kind of beer stuff. I just didn't want to. It took the craving away.
So it wasn't
fabulous.
even... Yeah.
Of a sedition charge. Fuck them. Really, dude? Come on, man.
I don't like playing on mental health stuff, but I got to point it out because it literally happened. I'm reading the quote. You see, one thing I've talked about with Joe Biden and many other Democrats, well, mostly Joe Biden, is that the press men in general, which could theoretically include trans men. Look, I don't know exactly what this means. Does it mean Trump's going to win? But it does mean increase and decrease.
It's not that uncommon for the center hole of a disc to be punched just a little bit off center, and the result is the
Hookah is the electrical connection, and then it runs to this box with a lever on the back. That lever is the really most